Yo, 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 welcome to today's video. It is the 14th of September and it is time for the poker run. We are going out of Pwllheli. We will see you out on the water.
We're all dreamers in our own way, trying to find our own way home through the galaxies.
There's Amelia Di Piazza. I'll link her Instagram below. Check her out. You're a bit nervous today?
Yeah, I don't like boats.
She doesn't like boats, but she's coming to watch the poker run. Good on her. What a beautiful day on the water it is. We've just launched. Check how nice this is. There's a little bit of wind out there. Might chop up a little bit, but not too bad. I think it's time that we go and find some poker boats. Oh yeah.
Release. We've run away the map. I let it be coming back. And in the distance in between, I see a shooting light. I think it means we'll be alright. Through dark and stormy weather, I know we'll be together. Just take my hand and we will be alright. We'll be alright. Through dark and stormy weather, I know we'll be together. Just take my hand and we will be alright. We'll be alright. Just take my hand and we will be alright. We'll be alright. Through dark and stormy weather, I know we'll be together. Just take my hand and we will be alright. We'll be alright.
Well, that was a good day out. All we need of a good course for the RNLI, but we'll leave this video here for now. We've also had a little bit of a model shoot with Amelia here, so I'll put a couple of them photos on. Remember to check out her Instagram. It'll be linked below, Amelia Di Piazza. And we will see you in the next one. Say goodbye.